Hi, I'm Dr. Antonia Johnson. For this week's speech tip, we will concentrate on the consonant H and the sound when it is spelled U-R. We will use the word hurricane. From Sarah on Twitter. Sarah says, "Can you do a YouTube video on the difficult word hurricane?" You say it. Some people say hurricane or hurricane. The consonant H and the are the difficult sounds. So let's start with the consonant H. The way to say the H is to open your mouth and push air out. It is like sighing. You use slow muscles, but you don't make any sound from your throat. You don't do you do it. Let's do the U-R, the It's like the sound in urge. But the easy way to remember how to do this sound is to do the memory word for R, paper. Say paper. Now say the ER in paper, You will do her. Now for the rest of the word, hurricane. The I is the short vowel I, like in it. The A is the long vowel A. Hurricane. Remember, the HUR is her. Do your practicing carefully and slowly so you learn the positioning of the muscles. Do practice carefully and loudly so you can make your muscles strong. Hurricane. You do it. Hurricane. Thank you for watching this speech tip video. Like us on Facebook for more videos or subscribe to us here on YouTube. For more information on accent reduction, visit our website at cleartalkmastery.com.